Hello everyone. Today I'm going to talk about this AppExchange application called Case Management Across Multi-Orgs. What it does is that it will actually share your data between two Salesforce organizations. Um, so what it does is that we're using an Apex to sync any kind of entities dynamically. And if you didn't get a chance to watch my another video, I highly recommend you to do that. This video, I'm going to focus on how to set these things up. And as you can see, we have two organizations involved. One is the source, and on this, my domain. And then the other one, it's on the destination. It's on this domain. So what happened is that we have a scheduled job from the destination running periodically to check on the changes made on source to see any changes need to be brought over. We call this is a poll model. And since this AppExchange application is a managed package, you can change it to use the push model, where you will develop a trigger, make the Apex call out, and push the changes over to the destination. The main mechanism involved in the authentication is Salesforce Connected App. The Connected App right now can only be created in Classic. You can create this Connected App on any developer edition organization. You can make the package to install on either destination or source. Right now, since my package is unmanaged, that's why I did not get a chance to package this connected app. So after the installation of my app, you have to create this connected app on the destination organization. So if you change it to the push model, then of course you need to install this or create this on the source so that you can initiate the OAuth flow. There are a couple parameters you need to pay attention when you create this connected app. First of all is the scope. Make sure that you have API and chat API. And secondly, you need to make sure that you enable the refresh token scope so that you can actually, after you complete the OAuth flow, you can get the refresh token and you can install it on the destination org so that when the scheduled Apex job needs to access the source to check any changes, you'll use this refresh token to exchange an access token to make the access. So in addition to this connected app, in the package, you will also find something called custom metadata types. That's where is the OAuth setting is stored. So in this OAuth setting, there are a couple of things that you need to copy from the connected app you created. First of all, of course, the consumer key and the consumer secret, right? So we call client ID and client secret. And then this login URL basically is the my domain for the source so that we can initiate the OAuth flow. The redirect URL really is the same as the callback URL you define it on the connected app, which is the destination callback. And then lastly, we also created something called custom settings. I'm going to show you a little bit later. So custom setting, it's where we actually store the token, the refresh token, when the OAuth dance is completed. So let me actually show you how the OAuth flow worked. So right now, since I have previously doing the data sync between the source and the destination, that's why you can see that we have an access granted for destination to access data on source. So I'm going to revoke this so that I can show you the OAuth flow. Now let's go back to the destination org to initiate the OAuth. So just hit this URL, and then it will actually initiate the OAuth flow. And since I already authenticated to the destination org, to the source org, excuse me, so that I don't need to log in with my credential again, so it directly brings to the access denied page. So if I say allow, by the way, it's redirect back to the destination org to complete the OAuth flow. As you can see that right now we have the access token, and also most importantly, the refresh token is being generated so that we can store this on the custom metadata types on the destination org, as well as the custom setting. Now it will actually store the refresh token. And once we get that, if you watch the other video, the flow will be complete. So the schedule Apex job, we use this refresh token to exchange an access token using the token flow. And then we'll use the access token to make the schedule job so that it will actually pull the changes from source to destination. That's it. Thank you.